Hi, this is an Eat It Drink It how-to video all about the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro cleaning machine. We're going to talk you through all of the maintenance steps that you need to know how to do to keep your machine working correctly. So here I have the Gausium Phantas Pro. If you don't have a Phantas Pro and you have the standard Phantas, don't worry, this procedure is exactly the same. I'm going to show you how to clean the roller bars that actually do the cleaning on the floor itself. On the front left-hand side of the machine, as you're looking at it, you'll see this inspection hatch here. To release that, simply push the yellow button. It's spring-loaded and it'll pop open for you like that. You can actually see into the bay here and you can see the edge of the roller bars. To release the roller bars, simply push down on the yellow button and this unit will spring out towards you. Slide the rollers towards you and you can see you've got two sets of rollers in here. There is a scrubbing brush and there's also a larger debris picking up brush. Both of these can be released by pushing on the yellow buttons at the end and lifting towards you. They simply click back into place afterwards, like so. It's really important that you clean any debris that you can see in the rollers out to keep them working properly. These can of course be submerged in water and we strongly recommend that this is cleaned at least once a week, depending on how much debris they're picking up or basically how dirty your floors are. Once you've finished cleaning those out, you need to reinsert the roller bar with the end into the machine first that doesn't have the yellow clips on. So you can see this end doesn't have yellow clips. Line that up with the machine. Just be careful that none of the bristles from the edging brush are in the way when you reinsert. And the best place to push on the roller bar is actually just next to the yellow button at the top here. So if you push onto that, you'll feel the roller click as it goes back into position. Close the door up and you've finished cleaning out the roller bars on the Phantas.